Welcome back to Fozzing Was. On today's episode, Aprilia Climber, we're going to be carrying on with where we left off. We've done the engine rebuild, that's all done and dusted, so now we need to do the front forks and then we'll move on to the next thing from there. We've got a lot to get through in this episode, so let's crack on. We have a 32mm impact socket and I've reverse fed a extension bar, which is going to be the knocking stick. That's going to go in and then we can knock it down with the hammer. That is a bit overkill, but I can't be bothered to go back into the other shed to get the smaller hammer, so we're just going to have to be a little bit gentle with it. I like to use a bit of silicone lubricant on the seals. It just helps it to drop down nicely and seat nicely. So the last thing you want to do is nip one of these seals, putting them in, because then obviously the fork oil's just going to leak again. It goes down evenly. She's in. That's 2 fork seals done and fitted. Oh my gosh, that's disgusting, it stinks. Ugh. All cleaned, all serviced, ready to go on the bike. Happy days. It's only took me all morning. I say it like I'm moaning, but I'm not, because it's actually really therapeutic for me, this. I've really enjoyed doing these today. I like doing fork seals, I don't know why, it's just one of those jobs that amuses me. A bit weird like that, I don't know. Right, we're on to wheels now. So this is the final bit and then we'll be able to go and actually build the bike up into a motorcycle. So if you remember from the video when we actually rode this Aprilia Climber and I went round and picked fault with what the issues were. One of the issues were this back wheel, all the spokes, some are bent, some are loose and they're seized and you can't get the spokes for them anymore. So the bike came with another wheel. It came with a tubeless one and it's got a good Michelin tyre on it as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the sprocket and the bits and bobs and disc and stuff off the old one and we're going to fit it to the new wheel. Then we'll give it all a clean up, clean all the metalwork up on it, and we'll have a look at the front one. We'll do the same with the front. Did well, there's only one that's stuck on. I know exactly how to get it. Oh yes. There's only one winner there, me. So here's the tubeless rim that came with the bike, the spare one. So we're going to fit that, we're going to clean all the hub up first. It's got some new bolts in it there as well, so I'll take them out. We can use that with the disc and the sprocket. That's all clean and shiny now. I've degreased it all. You've got the lovely paint on that. It's got some sort of metallic paint on it. There's the back one, all clean, all degreased. Same again. Hubs are really nice. Got like a metallic paint on them. They've come up really clean. This is all nice and shiny as well. Plastics day today, so we're going to scrub all these, clean them up, and then we're going to sand it all down, get all the rough mark. We'll get it as tidy as we can by sanding it all down. Then we're going to primer it, plastic primer, and and then we're going to paint it because it's really, you can't get these plastics anymore for them. Right, so that's the suspension done, the wheels are done. We're at a stage now where we can throw the bike together. Let's nip over to the big shed and let's start finally getting this Italian stallion back going again.
Mission complete.
Cheers guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that one. Finally got it done and dusted after all this time. It went on the back burner and it was taking ages, and I just left it and forgot about it, so absolutely made up to have it done. Bike number 3, the 4-bike challenge. One more bike to go. Probably out of all the trials bikes I've done so far, it's probably the easiest one to sort of take apart, put back together. It took me 3 days to build the bike. 1 day to build the bike and 2 days to bleed the back brake. If you know, you know. I've not gone mad on this one like I normally do on the Techno and the gas. They supposed to be rebuilds, these, and they ended up being pretty much restorations. I spent a fortune on them bikes getting them done, to the point where I won't use them. This one I've built differently. I built this one to use, so I've not gone mad with it. We've overhauled the brakes, put new pads in, new fluids, we've serviced the engine, checked the clutch is okay. Hopefully, when we take it out for a ride, hopefully, I've sorted all the problems out with it that we had when we did the test ride, when we first got the bike off trial tube, which was the engine wouldn't run properly due to the crank seals and the carb. We've done them. Just general maintenance really, gearbox oil change, air filter, plug. Sorted the wheels out. The tyres are okay. The front tyre's not great, I'll be honest, but it's more than fine for what we'll be using it for. Painted the frame and the engine in different colours just to mix it up a little bit. I've painted the plastics. I've not painted the tank. I wanted to keep the tank original, so it's got a few battle scars on it and stuff like that, which is perfect because it means I'll actually use it and I'll take it into a trial and stuff like that. So yeah, painted the plastics in Kawasaki green. It's a slightly different shade of green, but might treat it to a new chain before we go on a trial. Overhauled the front forks. They work now. They're a little bit on the stiff side, so I may need to change the oil in that. Take some oil out. I think I've put a little bit too much oil in it and it's just not compressing enough for my liking. The rear shock works perfect now, which it wasn't doing. I've regassed the rear shock and it works perfect now, so we're happy with that. We gave the spring a paint as well. So yeah, we've just repaired it, gone through it, fixed the bits that need fixing, overhauled it, and just give it a general tidy up and a bit of paint here and there. There's scratches and marks and things like that, so perfect for using it for trials now. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it means a lot to me, and we will have this out soon for a ride. I'm sorry I can't get it running today for you, but I've got no fuel and it's absolutely bouncing down outside and I had to rush to get this done. The under tray bash plate isn't actually connected properly yet either. I've just cable tied that on for the video for you, just so I can show you the bike. After Christmas we will take the bike out and give it a good run. We'll take it into the woods and do a bit of trialing and stuff, so watch out for that video when it pops up. And last but not least, have a fantastic Christmas and a brilliant new year. Love you all and I will see you very soon. Be seeing you.